Bo, I've been calling you. It's time to come in the house. You got to take out the trash and clean up your room. So put that magic 8-ball down and let's go.
I wish I could be big, so I could have my own house and make my own rules.
Oh my God, it worked! Yes! My own living room? And a dining room. This is the greatest day ever. Yes! Cheerios! I can have whatever I want, whenever I want. This is awesome. I'll get it later. This family room. Oh, I can watch TV whenever I want. My God, look at this amazing backyard. Another bathroom. Oh my gosh, this day keeps getting better. I wonder how many bedrooms I have. 2. 3. 4th bedroom. Wait, did I just see a 3rd bathroom? And there's a half downstairs? And a playroom? Oh my gosh, this is getting better and better. And I have a studio to hang out with my friends. Oh. It's so awesome to be big.
Hey there, I'm Shannon Milligan from RVA Home Team, brokered by eXp Realty, and it's good to be big. Welcome to 14601 Lacoc Road in Roundtray. This home is a former Homearama home with custom updates that you won't find in other homes. This home makes all your wishes come true. Contact RVA Home Team, powered by eXp Realty, for your private showing.